Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Shut down traffic and lock out power before any track work begins. Confirm dispatcher clearance and post lookouts every 500 feet along the work zone. Measure gauge to confirm 4 feet 8, 5 inches standard spacing across the rails. Inspect ties, rail wear, fasteners, and ballast for visible defects. Document defects with photos and GPS, noting locations to the nearest 10 feet. Record rail ID numbers, and wear measurements using digital calipers and a notebook for crew handoff. Remove damaged ties and replace with treated ties spaced about 7 inches on center. Cut and remove broken rail sections with oxy-fuel or rail saw equipment. Align and weld rail joints to restore continuity and strength along the rail length. Install continuous welded rail where possible to reduce joint stress and noise. Use new clips and bolts torqued to specified values, then reballast and tamp to achieve proper profile. Trim ballast to a 3-5-inch shoulder and compact for stable drainage and load distribution. Test signaling and circuit continuity before reopening, verifying all indications function. Calibrate track circuits and check insulated joints for proper resistance and polarity. Perform a slow proof train at 5 to 10 mph to confirm track stability and alignment. Monitor rail temperature and ride quality during the proof pass with sensor data collection. Restore speed restrictions gradually and communicate reopen times to dispatch and field crews. Log maintenance actions, costs, and inspection results in the asset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.